Man accused of killing his mother in Alcoa and later leading police on a chase in Sevier County appeared before a judge today. Jonathan Sellers was in court this afternoon for an arraignment. The judge appointed him an attorney. He is due back in court in April. Sellers is charged with criminal homicide. Court records say he shot and killed his mother, Kelly Marie Bracken, with a shotgun. This happened Friday at her home on Cherry Street in Alcoa. Authorities say after killing his mother, Sellers led Pigeon Forge police on a chase on the parkway. And when officers tried to pull him over for suspected DUI, that's when the chase was sparked. Police later used spike strips to stop him. The TBI says Sellers got out of the car with a shotgun, forcing officers to shoot him.
The TBI says it's working with state and federal authorities to investigate.